In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable keyboard shortcuts in Udemy Player on desktop. The good news is there's nothing to toggle on. Udemy's player shortcuts are built in, and they work by default as soon as the video player is in focus. That simply means you need to click once inside the video area before using your keyboard. If a shortcut doesn't respond, click the player again, make sure the tab is active, and check that your cursor isn't inside a search box or note field, which can capture keystrokes. Let's start with the essentials for playback and navigation. Tap the spacebar to play or pause instantly. It's the fastest way to stop and resume. Use the left arrow to jump back 5 seconds and the right arrow to skip forward 5 seconds, perfect for replaying a tricky explanation or hopping past something you've already mastered. To adjust speed on the fly without opening menus, hold Shift and tap the left arrow to slow down, or Shift and the right arrow to speed up. When you want an immersive view, press F to enter full screen, and press Escape to exit full screen and return to the course page layout. Controlling audio is just as quick. Press the up arrow to increase volume and the down arrow to decrease it. If you need to silence the video in a hurry, press M to mute or unmute. Keep in mind that some keyboards have dedicated media keys, but those typically only control Udemy when the player or tab is in focus. If you want global control with those keys from anywhere, I'll cover that in a moment. There are a couple of other shortcuts worth knowing. Press B to add a note at the current timestamp, which is great for marking important moments without breaking your flow. And whenever you need a refresher, press the question mark key to bring up Udemy's built-in keyboard shortcuts Help Overlay, as long as the player is focused. It's a handy on-screen reference. If you want to control playback from anywhere on your computer or map your media keys to Udemy. Regardless of focus, consider a browser extension designed for this purpose, such as Udemy Playback Control or Udemy Media Control. These tools can listen for your commands even when you're working in another tab, but behavior can vary by browser. Always install extensions from reputable sources, review the permissions they request, and disable them when you don't need them. That's it. Click to focus the player. Use space, arrows, F, M, B, and the question mark to work faster, and add an extension only if you need global control. Happy learning!